My name is Chanika I'm going to talk about 3 topics. The first one is how to learn a new word. The second is how to make lemonade. And the third one is how to sell something at a free market. Before we talk about our main topic, I have a question and answer to you. Why we have to learn new words? Why expand your knowledge and use of words? You will be able to communicate, speak, and write more clearly and using less words. People will understand you more easily, and you will understand more. Learning new words is a fun activity and one you can even do with the people around you. Challenge a friend, family member, or roommate to learn new words with you. As a result, we always to learn a new words. And then, today I have a 6 technique for learning new words. The first is read. The more you read, especially novels, but also magazines and newspapers, the more words you will learn. As you read and uncover new words, try to work out the meaning from the sentence as well as from looking up the definition in a dictionary. Write down new words. Your vocabulary will skyrocket. The second is keep a dictionary and thesaurus handy. Use whatever versions you prepare in print, software, or online. A good quality dictionary is 100 times better than Google Translate, and electronic ones are quick. When you uncover a new word, look it up in the dictionary to get born its pronunciation and its meaning. Next, go to the thesaurus and find similar words and phrases, and their opposite. The third is build your own dictionary. It's a very good idea to write down the new words you discover. Just by writing them down, you will start to recognize the word when you read. The fourth is learn a word a day. Using a word a day calendar, a website, or develop your own list of words to learn. This is a great technique many people use to learn new words. Don't feel you must learn a new word every day. The fifth is play some games. Word games that challenge you and help you discover new meanings and new words are a great tool for expanding your vocabulary. The sixth is engage in conversation. Simply talking with other people can help you learn, discover new words. As with reading, once you hear a new word, remember to jot it down so that you can study it later, and then slowly add the new word to your vocabulary. Finally, we have to learn new words in order to improve ourselves. The next one is topic 2. I'm going to talk about how to make a lemonade. Begin with firstly, juice 8 lemon to get about 1 cup of lemon juice. Lower your lemon on the countertop to make them easier to juice. Next, cut your lemons in half and place them onto a lemon plate over a pitcher or measuring cup. twist the lemon half over the place to get as much juice out as possible. Afterwards, secondly, transfer the lemon juice into a large pitcher. If you like pop in the lemon juice, pour the squeezed lemon juice directly into the pitcher. If you don't like pop, hold a strainer over the pitcher and your lemon juice over the strainer to catch the pop. Then empty the strainer into your compote or tea. Thirdly, pour 1 cup of sugar into the lemon juice and start to dissolve it. Since lemon juice is acidic, it can dissolve your sugar for you, which saves you a lot of work. Add the sugar directly into your lemon juice, then stir until the lemon dissolves. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Fifthly, stir the lemonade with a large spoon to combine your ingredients. Use a large plastic or wooden spoon to make your lemonade. Continue to stir until the color is uniform and you don't see more than a light dashing of sugar dissolve at the bottom of the pitcher. Fifthly, stir the lemonade with a large spoon to combine your ingredients. Use a large plastic or wooden spoon to make your lemonade. Continue to stir until the color is uniform and you don't see more than a light dashing of sugar dissolve at the bottom of the pitcher. Sixthly, taste your lemonade to make sure you like it. Use a spoon to scoop out a chip of lemonade, then taste the lemonade to see if you taste good to you. If your lemonade don't taste light, try adding one of the following. Seventhly, serve your lemonade over ice so it's chilled. If you want to serve your lemonade immediately, it will taste better over ice. Place a couple of ice cubes in your glass. Then pour your lemon over it. Drink it immediately so the ice doesn't melt and dilute your lemonade. And the last one is eighthly, store your lemonade in your refrigerator for up to 5 days. Cover your pitcher with a lid or a sheet of plastic wrap. Then put it into the refrigerator. It will keep for about 4 to 5 days. And the last topic is how to sell something at a flea market. Accordingly, today I have a great idea about how to make money selling at flea market. I have 3 techniques. The first is scout out your location. Every flea market is different. It's better to visit several in your area. They will all change different amounts for booth space, and they will all also location see if you can find a flea market in the same area as a few others, or will a group of antique or second-hand house shoppers tend to visit this kind of place, or in one go. Antique, malls, and flea markets are also popular stops for senior but tips. So if you can get in with a group of shops, do it. Second is decide what you will sell. If you haven't already, it's time to start storing merchandise and for items to sell at flea markets. This is an ongoing process is something you will want to be doing year round if you want to start successfully selling at flea market. The last one is the third, set up your booth. You will learn the best setup for your booth as you go along, but some general retail technique can help. First, check out how other vendors have set up their booths. Then, consider the kinds of items you will be selling and set up your space accordingly.